All right, here we are previewing the assignment for operations on rational expressions that has 20 questions in it. Let's go in and see what this assignment looks like. In McGraw-Hill's Connect Math Intermediate Algebra by Julie Miller, 3rd edition, we can see that there are some additional resources over here on the right-hand side that we can use to help us with this problem. Checking the answer is just going to give you the answer. Solve it is going to show you all of the steps at one time that are necessary in order to solve this problem. And then guided solution is going to march you through a step-by-step process where it's only showing you and prompting you for part of the sort of intermediate solutions necessary in order to solve the entire problem. And then show example is going to, exactly as you might imagine, show you an example that's similar to this problem, uses different numbers, but again, without clicking into it and avoiding the pop-up that will interrupt this part of the video, I'm pretty sure that show an example shows the entire process, which I don't really love because our mind is going to be thinking through this process one step at a time. There are different mathematical maneuvers, so to speak, that are necessary in order to go from one step to the next, so I think it's a good idea to see it play out one step at a time. So my recommendation to you is to use the guided solution. So again, that was within the main part of Connect Math. We were in the assignment, we were clicked into our course, and then near the top right-hand corner of the screen, we clicked on Resources. There was a Practice tab, and then from there, we drilled down to the chapter, the section, we started the assignment, and that's what landed us here. So those are the steps that you want to go through to get into this practice assignment. You'll want to be careful about choosing the right plot problems to work on. Time is valuable, so you want to be using your time wisely and practicing problems that you're likely to see or that are going to be similar to what you're likely to see in your next chapter test or your final exam. Again, guided solution, I think, is the go-to for practice problems using the Practice tab under the Resources button. All right, next let's go look at the ebook.